Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Battery is about 10% right now, so I'm not really going to say much about the collection, but I'm going to tell you a little bit about the collection so far. So I went to the Nars event and I got some goodies. Guys, look at the packaging. So far so good. You guys are going to hear more about the products in the video. So my first impression of the products is just like, I really like the collection so far. I like the packaging, guys. The packaging of the collection is absolutely stunning. That's why I'm wearing a matchy top with it. I'm just kidding, guys. I like the eyeshadow palettes and the lip palette. Beautiful as the palette is, this is my first time using it. It's very prone to depth. That's the only con for me. So far so good. So far the collection, the packaging is beautiful, it's absolutely stunning, but the only issue I have with the packaging is the fact that as beautiful as it is, it's very prone to dirt. So you can look at that, guys. It gets dirty. The palette gets dirty very easily. Look at that. You won't have believed that this is my first time using it. The design of the packaging is very beautiful and stunning, but the only problem is it gets dirty. Shadows are very pigmented and very nice. They blend easily. Colors in this palette are for smoky eye look, and you get your yellow one for bright looks as well, which is really nice. So the one that really amazed me most in this collection is this lip palette, because it's a powder, it's a powder lipstick, they said. So you apply the balm first, then you apply the powder on it. But in this makeup tutorial, I use both the lip palette and the eye palette to achieve this makeup look. So guys, look at the packaging of the lipstick as well. Very pretty, very nice. But the only con so far for me is the fact that they would get dirty very easy. So with this one, you have to be very careful, or you clean them every time to avoid the build-up on it. Otherwise it's going to be very difficult to clean if you leave the dirt to build up on it. I don't know how to say that, but you have to clean this immediately you find a stain on the packaging. So that's the only con for me. And apart from that, so this is the red lipstick, guys. This is what the lipstick look. I'm just gonna swatch that for you. Look at that, guys. This is the red lipstick right here, and this is the powder lipstick on the other side. So look at that, guys. Very opaque, very nice, and applies cute. It's very lovely. The flowery design is absolutely stunning. But the finish of the packaging, this one right here, the gray bits, it's not makeup friendly, because you have to be very careful with it. Otherwise it's gonna look dirty in 1 hour or another. So that's the only con for me so far. Apart from that, is it a collection that you need to try? Well, if you don't have all the colors or shades in this palette, then go for it. But for the lips, the lip palette, the powder lip palette is a must for me. Something new, guys, something new. Let's just let's be real, guys. It's new to me. So if you find it very interesting that there is a powder lips mixed with balm and everything, then why not go for it? But I have MAC red, and this one looks so much like MAC red, like what they said in the event, something like that. So but this is very similar to MAC red. So if you have MAC red, I'll suggest you skip this red lipstick shade and go for another lipstick. They have lovely colors in the collection that is lipstick, but I just decided to take this red one because MAC red is almost gonna run out. So I decided to pick this one, just as a replacement, because this collection worth buying. It is worth buying. If you have the money, go for it. But be prepared to clean the package every minute. Otherwise, apart from that, the collection for me would be 9/10. Like, guys, 9/10. I'd give it a 10/10. But for me, for the fact that cleaning the packaging every now and then, for me it's a 9/10. So that's my thought about the collection, guys. If you're interested in knowing how I achieved this look, please keep on watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the Nars new collection. I went to the event, so I picked up some products. Some of the products that I'm going to be showing you guys today, I bought them with my own, I purchased them with my own money, so please bear that in mind. Just, you know, I just want to put it out there that some of the products I'm going to be showing you guys today, I purchased them with my own money, because I wouldn't like to say I like a product and someone thinking, oh, probably because they gave it to her free. No, some of the products I picked them up, I purchased them with my own money. So let's get started. Collaboration right there. Guys, look at the packaging. Honestly, the packaging of this collection is absolutely stunning. I'm going to bring them out of the box and start the makeup tutorial immediately. So as I go on, I'm going to tell you guys my thoughts about each of the products. So let's get started. I've already done my eyebrow because I don't have a lot of makeup products by Nars, but I'm going to try my best to use some of the products that are home that are by Nars. So let's just get started, guys, because I think I'm rambling. So the first product that I am going to be sharing with you guys today is the Nars Erdem. Guys, look at that. Look at that. The palette is absolutely stunning. Look at the packaging. I like the flowery design of the packaging. Very beautiful, very nice, and very unique. I like it. And the fact that the packaging is, you know, very nice and sleek, very compact and lightweight. So I really own one of the eyeshadow palettes, which is this one. So there are two eyeshadow palettes in the collection, so I only have this one with me. I don't know what's called. I'm just going to check that for you guys. It's called My Garden, probably because it has the yellow and the green in the palette. The other palette that I also pick up is this one as well. It's very similar to the one that I showed you guys, different content actually. So this is the lip palette, guys. The lip palette is something very unique that I've never seen, guys, never seen before, because it has a lip balm, which is the one right here, and the rest of the shades, the 3 shades, are powder, and it's a lip palette. So use this anyhow you like. Easiest way I will go with this is to apply the lip balm first, then apply the powder over it. According to Nars representative, they said you can apply the powder only, so the choice is yours. How you want to use it is your choice. So, but today I'm going to be using some of the lip powder on my lids. So I don't know how that's going to work because I don't know the look that I'm going for today, but let's just get started with that first. So I'm going to go in with this lip shade, this lip powder right here called Calypso. I'm going to take the shade Calypso from the palette, this one right here. I'm going to use that as my transitional shade. I'm quite impressed with the lip palette because when I tried it at the event, I really liked it, and I went in with a red lips and all, but they actually changed all the makeup look, or they actually changed my makeup look, so I ended up coming in with a different makeup, so which is good because I had the opportunity to try the products at the event before getting any one of them, and I also get some goodies from the event as well. But it has a nice color payoff. I don't know if the camera is picking that up, but I really think I could do with this as an eyeshadow as well. So for me, the palette is a multi-purpose palette. You know, my channel is all about having something, products that can be used for different, you know, purpose. I'm just, you know, still thinking. I'm still thinking if I should go for bold, if I should go for neutral, because most of the time when I'm doing a makeup tutorial or review, I tend to go for a neutral look. So I might end up with neutral, I might end up with both colors, but let's just keep our fingers crossed and, you know, get on with it. I'm going to take the lip palette again. I'm going to take this shade right here. That's the same. This, my days, guys, look at that. So you can imagine using this as your, you know, lip topper, lipstick. This is so pink. Very, very pigmented. One swatch and that's what I got on my lids. So I'm blending that in seamlessly. Wow, guys, look at that. Let's just keep going. We will end up somewhere before I finish. I am going to go in with this brown shade right here. It's seriously pigmented. You have to be careful with this one, otherwise you might end up looking like a raccoon. It's not a bad thing really, but it's just that you have to be really careful because it's very, very pigmented. I tried the other day and I was shook, guys. It's a very, very dark brown shade. You can feel that already, that it's already giving me that smoky vibe that I'm going for. So I'm just concentrating more on my outer V just to create a smoky effect. It's a very, very dark brown eyeshadow, so it feels more like black on the lid, but it's not black. When you're looking at it in the palette, it's so brown. But when you apply it, it looks, you know, black, which is good. Focus that on my outer V more and gently blend it into my crease. Right, we're looking so funny right now, but we're gonna get there, guys. Take a flat brush right here. I'm going to apply the Nars Erdem cream concealer right here. I'm going to apply that on my lid. Take this green shade right here. I'm going to apply that on my lids. So next, I'm going to take another brush again. I'm going to apply the yellow color over the green. You can also decide. I decided to apply the yellow shade first, so you can do that as well, depending on how comfortable you are with the colors. So I applied the yellow shade first. So now I'm going to take the brush that I used earlier. I'm going to take the black shade right here. I'm going to apply in my outer V. Take a glitter closer to the shade of the green that I applied on my lids. I'm going to apply that exactly where I applied the green eyeshadow. So applying this glitter on my cut crease area, but let's just see how that works out. So I've already applied my eyelashes and my eyeliner off camera, so this is what the eye makeup looks like. I don't know if you guys like this, but I know it's very dramatic, but I just wanted to do something different on my channel, so this palette gave me the inspiration to do something different. So I really quite like it. I don't know about you guys, but I really like this eye makeup look. Prime my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish primer right here. I'm going to use that to prime my face. This is actually one of my favorites. So next for my face, I'm going to be using the Nars Nars Sheer Matte Foundation right here. Done with that, I'm going to take the Nars Radiant Cream Concealer right here. Since the shade of the concealer a little bit closer to my skin tone, I'm going to take this mini Radiant Cream Concealer right here. I'm going to apply a dot of that on the areas that I applied the first concealer, just to, you know, give it a brighter look. I'm going to apply the Sleek Contour Kit. I'm going to use that to contour my face. Going to take the lip palette again. I'm going to take this shade right here. It's an orange shade. I'm going to take a tiny bit of that. I hope it won't be too much for me. I hope it won't be too much. I'm just going to apply that. So as my blush. Yeah, that's coming up really well. You have to be very, very careful with this ones. Whoa, I think I've applied too much. I know these ones are very, very pigmented, so I'll have to wipe off the excess on my skin by applying my highlighter from by Huda Beauty in the shade brown. I'm going to spray my face with the Nivea setting spray right here.